Okay, so here we're going to connect to the vehicle power. We've installed a toggle switch because this screen will be on off on the switch. The customer doesn't want it to necessarily be on all the time, just when he's going to be weighing. He's got in his aftermarket cab a power and ground connection. We've tied the power in. We'll just tie the ground in quick here. Okay. These are the fuse covers, so you notice there's tabs on each side. You just pinch and squeeze both sides. This is the extra connector. If you bought a backup camera, those would plug into one of those spots. This is the main. There's two 2-amp fuses in there. And they just click back on. Turn the system on. And there's the home screen.